Welcome back to the Brothers Workshop. As always, I'm Sean, and today's the day that I finally clean up this mess because I'm upgrading our little toolbox that's sitting right here with a new 36-inch 12-drawer Husky that we just picked up at Home Depot. We're going to give you guys an honest review of whether this thing passes the test of what we need, and hopefully it'll work for you guys. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel, give the video a like, and find us on Instagram and Facebook at The Brothers Workshop. Without further ado, we're going to dive right into this review. And oh, who's this guy?
Yo, what's up, guys? Coming straight out the architecture firm, looking all fresh like this.
Man, it's about time he helps out around here.
Yeah. What we got here?
We got the new toolbox for the shop. We're about to clean this mess up.
It's a little red, don't you think?
Nothing wrong with a little red.
Fire engine red. All right.
How'd that drawer slide?
Ooh, crispy, buttery smooth.
Let's go ahead and pop the hood on this bad boy. Here you're going to see the sticker that says it actually is a 36-inch 12-drawer combo. The thing that you really need to remember here is that this is a combo unit, and that's how we purchased it. So unlike retailers like Lowe's and even Harbor Freight that sell each of these, the top and the bottom part of this toolbox separately, coming from Home Depot, this was one price, and it was substantially cheaper than the comparable one at Lowe's. Each of these drawers moves smoothly and closes quickly. So much nicer than our old one. I'm actually really excited to get to use this. This is 36 inches wide, 18 inches deep, and 62.8 inches high. As you can see, it has 4 outlets and 2 USB charging ports, just in case you gotta charge your phone or plug your drill in. And this particular toolbox has a 1,200 pound load capacity, giving each drawer the ability to hold up to 100 pounds. I mean, unless you've got some seriously heavy wrenches, that's going to be more than enough. The overall storage capacity of this particular toolbox is 21,865 cubic inches. Before I forget, this guy has some sweet wheels too. No, not really. I'm not into this flashy stuff, but it does have some pretty neat wheels if you're into that kind of thing. And if all the practical features didn't sell you on this toolbox yet, how about a little of the impractical, like these flashy wheels? They might actually need to be replaced in the future. I'm not sure how they're going to hold up. Construction on this toolbox is pretty good. It's made of steel. It's not as thick as I would like. Then again, if it's fully loaded and it does reach that 1,200 pound capacity, I'm really not going to be trying to drag it around. So it's probably pretty good where it's at. The ball bearing drawer slides are rated at 100 pounds. And as you can see, they glide smoothly. Down here at the bottom of the toolbox, we have a 9-inch high drawer for all your larger tools. Another neat feature about this toolbox is the hydraulic assist it has on the hood. I mean, can't get much easier than that. I'm going to go ahead and say I'm pretty happy with this purchase. I can't wait to get it loaded up and clean up the shop. If you like this kind of stuff, subscribe to the channel, give the video a like, and as always, keep building.